Very intense game, last 2 minutes. Nueva Ecija versus Quezon. Score 71-75 in favor of Nueva Ecija. Na-turnover pa ng Quezon yung posisyon na to.
An off night in terms of offense. Magbuhos, turnover.
At sa play naman na to, nakuha naman yung Quezon yung bola sa isang block kay Macaloni. At dito na nakascore yung Quezon sa isang malupit na crossover.
Fuentes, the crossover. Losing, John Wilson lays it up and in.
What a...
Only 8 points. But the last two, huge. JC, short. Celis the rebound, but got caught.
Judel at saka si Vince. Box lang tayo. Okay? Aray, ikaw to.
Back screen.
Fuentes. Nakalusot na naman. And a foul. 94% free throw shooter. Calmly coming into this game.
I'm gonna assume that's best in the league. If this is a long rebound and Quezon is off to the other side, Nueva Ecija has to remember they have a foul to give.
Celis. Great pass by...
To the open set.
Sayang tong free throw ni Celis, airball pa.
Celis underneath.
Oh.
Short!
Wow, airball. Second free throw for Robbie Celis. Gets it in. All over him. Judel lost it. Marcelino off to the races. JV stumbles and travels. Dario pops out. Guarded by Robbie Celis. Dario with 26 points. Foul.
Coach's term usually calls it double gap, but this one, Judel Fuentes open.
No! Celis with a big time. Sablay yung una. Pasok yung pangalawa. 2-point ball. Screen by Sandagon. Gonzalez. Kick out to Dario. 8 seconds remaining. Dario for free for the lead!
At dito na lumabas ang experience ng isang ex-PBA player. Diego Dario hit the game winning 3 and seal the win para sa Quezon. Isang malaking talo to sa Nueva Ecija pero for sure babawi to sa playoffs.